Hello everybody, welcome back to another Titan VR video. Today I'm going storm chasing an ape out. Oh. We got data over here and right there. Oh. Storm's picking up over here. We're gonna get out to the road. We're gonna get out somewhere else so we're out of the area. But we need to be here so we can get data though. Bang, 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 till I take you down, down, down. Twisting rotation. We got rotation up there. Up in there. Wait, hold on. Over there we got rotation. Somewhere. Oh. Twisting information, it is heading towards the city. What the? No, I can't die like this. Help! Help me! Evacuate the city! Evacuate! Evacuate! No! 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 Ah! Far in the map. Ah! Retreat! Oh! Get in, yellow! Yellow, get in! Blue, get in! Get in! We need to head that way! It's an Amber Alert! Okay, we're good.
Wait guys, let's do a meetup at the gas station. Meetup at the gas station, everyone! Meetup at the gas station. Guys, everyone meetup at the gas station.
I am.
I'm gonna do a stand there.
I'm making a video. You say hi, you're in a video.
Hi.
Good boy.
Man, shut up.
Man, this gas prices are overrated. These gas prices are overrated. Oh, we got wind rotation over there. We got wind rotation right behind us, guys.
So the plan is...
Guys, we got wind rotation right behind us.
Someone gets in front, someone goes to the left, someone goes to the right.
I'll go behind. There's, we're getting data right from behind.
Right from behind. Oh, crap.
Analyzing my heart gonna
wait for me.
Boop, 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 boop. Doot, 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 doot. Oh, we got twist rotation up there. We got twist rotation up there. I'm gonna shoot you.
Is it EF6 or 7? EF6 or 7?
We got rotation. I don't see it. Oh, I see it. Interceptor. We need a interceptor right up there. Okay, cut off through this road, guys. Get off, run, run, guys, run, run, guys, run. Oh, it's following me. Anonizing. Come on, I can't get picked up again. I can't get picked up again. Run. Oh, it's circling Nashville.
Michael, I can't run, I can't go, no, help,
Just see him in the map, just...
help,
Bro, I just see you in the computer just going crazy. Okay, I'm gonna drive into the tornado. We're not human. We're idiots. And idiots all. It's very popular. It's called Ape. It's called Ape Out VR. Very popular. A lot of people join my server within like, I don't know, 5 minutes of me playing. You should play it. What? Hold on. Driving right into the... That's gonna be the end.